Here you can see a assemble code inside in a micro C program. In early 1970s, this language is used to program a microcontroller. After that, this is an example for loop in microcontroller programming that both targeted output is coded in assembly code and C code. So all of our viewers can see the C code is most readable and easy to understand for any programmer or a reader than assembly code. That is the biggest advantage using C code in microcontroller programming. Okay, now we can see a sample C program that based on a switch on off light. First of all, there is a header file called #include pic.h. This header file includes names that we used in program to describe. Example, configuration bits, real addresses values in RC0, RB0, TRISB, TRISC like that. After that header file, there is another header file called #include delay.h. This header file include delay function. After the delay function, there is another header file called define sw1 rb0. This is define 0 pin in port B as sw1 for connect switches. Define L1 RC0 define 0 pin of port C as L1. Void main. After that all header files, there is another config sentence. These sentence do the set configure bits, oscillator type, crystal oscillator watch dog timer, disable low voltage programming, disable brown out, reset disable. There are the main things that cover in this config sentence. After that all, here the main function of the program called void main. In this main function, address 0000 is redeclared program counter to this place when start the microcontroller unit. This act 0 multiply 000 address of the program memory act as a bootstrap. Okay, now we see about the TRISC equals 0 sentence. What it's mean about? This sentence set all the pins of port B as inputs. Okay, now L1 equals 0 sentence set low state values of Li RC0. While is a start of infinite loop, and after the while loop there is a delay as within brackets 200 sentence. That means wait 200 microseconds because switches have some spin pulses when it proceeds someone, when it pressed someone that switch. So that is a simple C program with light on off switch. Okay, here we can see a basic stamp editor version 2.0. So our target is to print hello, it's me, your basic stamp. That is our output target. In here, the main things running in the system are: first thing is run the basic stamp editor software. From this software, it enter to the simple microcontroller program. After the entering to the program, it click the basic stamp 2 button. After you press that button, it is click the p basic 2.5 button. It is such as a like compiler. After that, if there is no errors, we can simply press the run button. So the output comes with hello, it's me, your basic stamp. Not only the basic stamp button, there is another 3 or 4 buttons in here. This is that what is doing that program. The basic stamp send a message to the computer, hello, it is me, as a digital output. Okay, this is another sample basic program to blink a light. All of you remember that we talk about header files in earlier program. Also they must have to include in this program, but we don't include it because the space is too small. This is the program my LED main. This sentence, the port B, that is the output. From this is a loop. Include within that loop this sentence, turn on diodes on port B. After that, wait for 1 second. After the waiting 1 second, that they are turn off diodes on port B. Again wait 1 second. Go to E loop means stay in loop. This is do infinitely until we go down in E loop, until they went off in E loop. So the result of the program is light blink after every second.